Meaning of demographics.
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 Demographics. Demographics refers to statistical data that describes the characteristics of a population, such as age, gender, ethnicity, income, education level, and geographic location. Demographic data is commonly used in market research, public opinion polling, and social studies to understand patterns and trends within a population. By analyzing demographic data, researchers can gain insights into consumer behavior, political beliefs, and societal changes. Demographics are an important factor in shaping public policy and business strategies, as they can help organizations tailor their products and services to specific target audiences.